Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 34 from CBSE Grade 10 Standard Math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 34 says, in triangle ABC, AD is a median, X is a point on AD such that AX is to XD is 2 is to 3. BX is extended so that it intersects AC at Y. Prove that BX is 4 times XY. To start with, let's draw this line segment DZ parallel to BY. Now let's consider the triangle AXY and ADZ and prove that these two triangles are similar. Angle A is common in both the triangles. Then angle AXY is equal to ADZ because those two are corresponding angles. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle AXY is similar to triangle ADZ. Since the triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. That is, xy upon dz is equal to ax upon ad. It is given in the question that ax is to xd is 2 is to 3. That is, ax is 2 parts and xd is 3 parts. So the total parts in the line segment AD is 5. Xy upon dz is equal to ax is 2 parts and AD is 5 parts. Therefore, dz is 5 upon 2 times xy. Now let's consider the triangles CDZ and CBY. Angle C is common in both the triangles and angle CZD is equal to angle CYB because those two are corresponding angles. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle CDZ is similar to triangle CBY, which implies that the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. That is, DZ upon BY is equal to CD upon BC. Let's substitute this value for DC here, and BY can be written as the sum of BX and XY. Coming to the right hand side, it is CD upon CB. CD is this part and CB is this full line segment. Because AD is the median, this point D divides BC into two equal parts in the ratio 1 is to 1. So CD is one part and the entire BC can be taken as two parts. DZ is 5xy upon 2. BY is written as BX plus xy, which is equal to CD is one part and BC is two parts. Further simplifying this, we can cancel the 2 in the denominators on the left hand side and the right hand side. So 5xy is equal to bx plus xy. Taking the xy on one side, we get 4xy is equal to bx. That is, bx is equal to 4xy. So this is the statement that has to be proved, hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.